आपण आता काय काय बघितलं बघा. अल्कोहोल म्हणजे काय बघितलं, क्लासिफिकेशन बघितलं, त्याचं नॉमेनक्लेचर बघितलं. मग आता हे अल्कोहोल तयार कसं करायचं हे आपण बघायचं. तर हाऊ विल यू प्रिपेअर अल्कोहोल. सो फर्स्ट प्रिपरेशन ऑफ अल्कोहोल. द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट प्रिपरेशन ऑफ अल्कोहोल. अल्कोहोल कसं प्रिपेअर करू शकतो हे आपण बघणार आहे. प्रिपरेशन ऑफ अल्कोहोल. प्रिपरेशन ऑफ अल्कोहोल. So first the preparation of alcohol from alkyl halide. म्हणजे काय, अल्कोहोल जे बनवणार आहे हे अल्किल हायड्रापासून कसं बनवायचं हे पण बघणार आहे. मग त्याला नेमकं दुसरं नाव काय. सो अल्किल हालाइड when reacts with aqueous alkali that is NaOH and KOH, it gives alcohol. म्हणजे या अल्किल हालाइडवर जर NaOH आणि KOH चा मारा केला तर त्यापासून आपल्याला अल्कोहोल मिळतं. मग जनरल रिएक्शन काय आहे याची. तर जनरल रिएक्शन अल्किल मीन्स R and halide means X. When alkyl halide is reacts with aqueous NaOH boil, it gives what happened. It gives NaX removed out. NaX निघून जातो and the formation of alcohol takes place. म्हणजे अल्किल हालाइड ऍक्वेस अल्कली म्हणजे NaOH सोबत रिॲक्ट झालं तर आपल्याला अल्कोहोल मिळतं. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट एक्झाम्पल. मीन्स हिअर व्हेन CH3 CH2 it is alkyl group and here Br is bromo group means halogen. So name having ethyl bromide reacts with aqueous NaOH. What happens when ethyl bromide reacts with aqueous NaOH? Removed out NaBr and the formation of CH3 CH2OH, that is ethanol or ethyl alcohol is formed. It is the formation of ethyl alcohol from alkyl halide. The next, when alkyl halide that is RX reacts with aqueous KOH, it gives what happened. The formation of KX and the potassium halide and alcohol is formed. Example of this reaction that is CH3 CH2Br reacts with KOH. It gives what happened. The removal of potassium bromide, removal of KBr and formation of ethanol, that is ethyl alcohol. Formation of ethanol. The second point, the preparation of alcohol. Preparation of alcohol from alkene, also called as olefin. Here in this process, by using hydration. So what is mean by hydration? The addition of water molecule across the double bond is called as hydration. By using here acid group, that is H2SO4 used for this purpose when alkene reacts with H2SO for the formation of alcohol. So look here how it is formed. First step, when alkene that is ethene reacts with reacts with sulfuric acid. Reacts with sulfuric acid. Reacts with sulfuric acid. What happened? Here, what happened? Here, the formation of ethyl hydrogen sulfate. Formation of ethyl hydrogen sulfate is formed. Ethyl hydrogen sulfate. Ethyl hydrogen sulfate is formed. What happened? This H is joined to the formation of CH3 and double bond are removed and the formation of SO3H group is ethyl hydrogen sulfate is formed. This ethyl hydrogen sulfate undergoes hydration, that is HOH, undergoes hydration. What happened? Here this H join here and this SO3H and OH group is removed out. Means here formation of CH3, CH2, this OH plus H2SO4 is removed out. The formation of ethanol takes place. Then second reaction, here second reaction, when propene reacts with 80% sulfuric acid, it gives this SO3H group join here and this OH join the hydrogen atom. So look here, CH3 CH OSO3H and CH3. The name of the compound is isopropyl hydrogen sulfate. Isopropyl hydrogen sulfate. This isopropyl hydrogen sulfate, undergoes hydrolysis, that is HOH. It gives what happened? This H joined to here and this SO3H and OH are removed out. Then the name of the compound is CH3 CH OH CH3. The name of the compound is isopropyl alcohol. Name of the compound is isopropyl alcohol, or another name is propane 2-OL. So third, what is the action? Third, the action of isobutene. The action of isobutene on HOSO3H means here 50% H2SO4 reacts with isobutylene. What happened in this reaction? Look here. Here this H joining to CH3 removed of double bond and this OSO3H group bonded to carbon atom. So compound is CH3 OSO3H. The name of the compound is T-butyl hydrogen sulfate. This T-butyl hydrogen sulfate undergoes hydration, means addition of water molecule. What is the formation? So look here, the formation of T-butyl alcohol. The formation of T-butyl alcohol and the removal of H2SO4. What is the name of the compound? That is T-butyl alcohol. D-butyl alcohol, or another name, look here, 1, 2, 3 means 2-methyl propane 2OL. These are the reactions of hydration. पण अल्कोहोल प्रिपेअर करण्याच्या 2 पद्धती बघितल्या. एक अल्किल हॅलाइड पासून बघितलं, आता नंतर दुसरी बघितली अल्किन पासून. हायड्रेशन करून आपण अल्कोहोल तयार केलं. आता तिसरी पद्धत जी आहे ती डायपोरेंट पासून. द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ अल्कोहोल, प्रिपरेशन ऑफ अल्कोहोल, प्रिपरेशन ऑफ अल्कोहोल, अल्कोहोल फ्रॉम डायबोरेन, डायबोरेन. डायबोरेन पासून अल्कोहोल कसं बनवायचं हे आपण बघणार आहे. तर त्यासाठी मी सगळ्यात महत्वाचं म्हणजे प्रॉपिन घेणार आहे. मीन्स 6CH3 CH double bond CH2. It is a propene. It is unsymmetric alkene. When it is reacts with B2H6 means it is a diborane. It is a diborane. What happen in this reaction? या रिएक्शन मध्ये काय होतं तर सगळ्यात महत्वाचं म्हणजे हा बोरेन हा याच्यावर रिएक्ट होतो. आणि व्हॉट इज द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कंपाऊंड? लुक हियर, द फॉर्मेशन इज 2 बोरेन हियर, 2 that is CH3 CH2. This double bond is already removed because the formation of borane. What is the name of the compound? It is tripropyl borane. म्हणजे काय झालं या रिएक्शन मध्ये तर डायबोरेन रिएक्ट झाला. रिएक्ट झाल्याबरोबर आपल्याला ट्रायप्रॉपिल बोरेन मिळाला. मग या ट्रायप्रॉपिल बोरेन मी काय करणार आहे? द ट्रायप्रॉपिल बोरेन CH3 CH2 CH2. Third, this tripropyl borane reacts with हायड्रोजन पेरॉक्साइड. म्हणजे या हायड्रोजन पेरॉक्साइडची रिएक्शन या ट्रायप्रॉपिल बोरेनवर करायची. मग काय होत असेल? व्हॉट हॅपन वेन हायड्रोजन पेरॉक्साइड रिएक्ट्स विथ ट्रायप्रॉपिल बोरेन? तर काय होत असणार आहे? अगदी सिंपल आहे. तर यामध्ये लुक हियर, CH3 CH2 CH2. How much? There is a 3 CH3 CH2 CH2 OH. There remain this formation of alcohol. They named having propyl alcohol or propane on OL. So the remaining product is boron is removed out, boron removed out, and the formation that is OH thrice means boron, that is H3BO3 is removed. Means when the diborane reacts with propene, reacts with prop 1 in the formation of tripropyl borane, which on reacts with hydrogen peroxide, it gives propane 1OL. So next preparation, the preparation of alcohol, preparation of alcohol, preparation of alcohol from carbonyl compound, carbonyl compound. So here aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid are carbonyl compound. Why it is called carbonyl compound? It consists CO group. That is, look here, it consists CO group in their compound. It consists CO group in their molecule. So it is called as a carbonyl compound. So first we take aldehyde. General formula for the aldehyde is RCOH. By using the aldehyde group, how will you prepare alcohol? Look here. By using Raney nickel. By using Raney nickel, that is a reduction. We get alcohol. Look here. The general formula, that is RCOH. It undergoes reduction in presence of Raney nickel. It gives RCH2OH. So the example is, look here, R means CH3 group, CH3 and COH. It is a acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde reacts with EH2, that is reduction in presence of Raney nickel. What happen? It gives CH3 CH2OH named, that is ethanol. Having ethanol. यामध्ये रेनिकल मध्ये काय करतं? ते रिडक्शन करतं. What is reduction? The addition of hydrogen. Look here, this addition of hydrogen means हा यातला H2 काय करतो? दोन H इथे येतात आणि हा OH इथे येतो, म्हणजे द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ अल्कोहोल, that is acetaldehyde or ethanol reacts with hydrogen in presence of Raney nickel. It gives ethyl alcohol or ethanol. Do you understand? Yes, you can better understand. Next, here by using NaHG, how will you prepare alcohol in aldehyde? Look here, when aldehyde reacts with a reduction in presence of NaHG, means sodium amalgam, it also gives alcohol, RCH2OH also gives alcohol. So reaction is, look here, CH3 COH named, it is acetaldehyde reacts with hydrogen in presence of NaHG. It gives CH3 CH2OH, that is ethanol. आपण अल्डिहाइड पासून अल्कोहोल कसं बनवायचं हे बघितलं. आता मी केटोन पासून हाऊ विल यू प्रिपेअर अल्कोहोल फ्रॉम कीटोन बघणार आहे. सो फर्स्ट जनरल रिएक्शन RCOR, when this ketone reacts with hydrogen in presence of Raney nickel, it gives, that is RCHOH, that is isopropyl alcohol. It gives isopropyl alcohol. Means example, there R means alkyl group. R च्या जागी आपण कोणता एक सेम किंवा डिफरंट ग्रुप घेऊ शकतो, that is CH3 COCH3 named, it is acetone or another name dimethyl ketone. When it reacts with hydrogen in presence of Raney nickel, it gives, what happen? This H joined to this carbon and this H joined to the oxygen. So the formation of the compound CH3 CHOH CH3. The name of the compound is isopropyl alcohol. Do you understand? Yes. Next point, here only ketone. Look here, this preparation, that is preparation of alcohol by using reduction of hydrogen by using sodium amalgam. What happened? When ketone reacts with hydrogen in presence of sodium amalgam, it gives isopropyl alcohol. Here general reaction completed. Then example, when acetone reacts with hydrogen in presence of sodium amalgam undergoes reduction, it gives a isopropyl alcohol. So next and last point, here the preparation, the alcohol is prepared by using carboxylic acid, and the catalyst LiAlH4. So look the reaction is direct reaction, that is CH3COOH. It is acetic acid. When the acetic acid undergoes reduction in presence of LiAlEH4, what happen? म्हणजे जेव्हा ऍसिटिक ऍसिड रिडक्शन होणार आहे ते कुणाच्या माध्यमामध्ये, लिथियम अल्युमिनियम हायड्राइड. मग इथं काय होतं तर ऍडिशन ऑफ 4 हायड्रोजन ऍटम टेक्स प्लेस. बाकीच्या 2 प्रिपरेशन मध्ये आपण फक्त H2 ऍड केला होता, इथं आपण या माध्यमामध्ये 4 हायड्रोजन ऍड करणार आहोत. मीन्स ऍडिशन ऑफ 4 हायड्रोजन. व्हॉट हॅपन हियर, 2 हायड्रोजन हियर इन दिस कार्बन ऍटम and 2 hydrogen by removing of water molecule. Here, look here, the formation of compound is CH3, that is CH2 and remaining OH group, and removal of water molecule. Here in this reaction, formation of ethanol. Means lithium aluminum hydride when reacts with carboxylic acid or acetic acid, it gives ethanol and water is removed. Last preparation of alcohol by using a Grignard reagent. That is REMGEX. It is a Grignard reagent. So how will you prepare alcohol? By using Grignard reagent. Look here. So first, here general formula, by using RCOH, it is aldehyde. When aldehyde reacts with a Grignard reagent, that is REMGEX, in presence of dry ether. What happen? ज्यावेळेला aldehyde Grignard reagent सोबत रिएक्ट होतं तर काय होतं, द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कॉम्प्लेक्स. लुक हियर, that is R, this C, joining of R and remaining here double bond O. When this MgX join to here OMgEX and here EH, the formation of complex named Mg complex, that is called as a Mg complex. This Mg complex RCOMgX undergoes hydrolysis, that is HOH undergoes hydrolysis. What happen? This H joining to O, and this MgX and OH are removed out. Means the formation is, look here, R, C, R, here this H and here OH, and removal of MgX and OH are removed. So it is alcohol. So example, what is the example? Look here, change only alkyl group here and here. Look here. So example, that is CH3 C double bond OEH. It is acetaldehyde. When this acetaldehyde reacts with here only CH3 EMgI, that is methyl magnesium methyl magnesium iodide in presence of dry ether. What happen? The formation of complex takes place. What is the name of the complex? Look here CH3, that is COMGI, here this CH and remaining here CH3. It is a EMG complex. This EMG complex and reacts with or hydrolysis with HOH. What happened? The formation of CH3 CH CH3OH, that is isopropyl alcohol is formed. In this reaction, the isopropyl alcohol is formed and the removal of EMGI and OH are removed away. मित्रांनो, आज मी तुम्हाला अल्कोहोल विषयी तुमच्याशी बातचीत केली. त्या अल्कोहोल मध्ये अल्कोहोल म्हणजे काय, क्लासिफिकेशन अल्कोहोलचं कसं करायचं, नॉमिनक्लेचर कसं करायचं आणि प्रिपरेशन कसं करायचं, या सगळ्या गोष्टींचा ओप तुमच्याशी मी केलेला आहे. जर तुम्हाला याविषयी काही शंका असेल, काय अडचण असेल, तर तुम्ही ते कॉमेंट बॉक्समध्ये लिहून जरूर कळवा. तुमच्या समस्येचं निराकरण निश्चित सीएमबी क्लास करेल याची खात्री बाळगा आणि निश्चिंत राहा, स्वस्थ राहा. हा व्हिडिओ आपला निश्चित आवडेल अशी ग्वाही देतो आणि पुढच्या लेक्चरमध्ये आपण नक्कीच भेटू. धन्यवाद.